people still doing ajo when there are amazing ways you can grow and invest your money? This investment banker is about to show you those ways. Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. On this channel, we're all about securing the bag, investment, savings, side hustle idea, passive income. If that's your kind of vibe, financial women are happy to have you. So what is ajo? Is it Igbo or Yoruba? I know there are different names we call it. We call it ajo, we call it a susu. Now, I don't know which one is Igbo and which one is Yoruba. Let us know in the comments, please. Let me not go and make a mistake. And even outsiders have what they call it, what they call ajo. So typically, how does ajo work? A group of people come together, okay? They decide amount they will be saving, or how we call it saving, contributing, and then they rotate it among themselves. You know, the first person we carry, maybe the next week or the next month, they bring money again. The second person we carry, just like that until it gets to everyone. They rotate it. I think this practice, I don't know if it's only Nigerians or if it's obtainable in other places. Ajo, as it's called, has been in existence as far as I can remember. I remember my grandmother back in the village then. I grew up with my grandmother, by the way. So every Thursday, they do it in my house. Very early in the morning, all of them come, they bring money. I think in their own case, I don't know if they rotate it or if they keep it and distribute again. I can't remember, but it is a practice that is very rampant all across Nigeria. Okay, why am I discussing this today? Because I think it's a very risky thing to do. I understand that people, for different reasons, maybe they don't know how to save on their own, maybe they want a bulk money for a project, I don't know, but I am not comfortable with it. And it's not just me. If you're on social media, we see it every day, how people will contribute money. At the end of the day, they are calling the organizer is at the airport on her way to Jamaica. I don't understand, the news are crazy. I think sometime in the past it's trended. One lady, I think all the way from Osun State or something, auntie came to Lagos to do a birthday bash in Lekki to celebrate her birthday with people's money. Auntie has, they've been calling her for their ajo money. Auntie just disappeared. Next thing they had, auntie is, you know, Lekki doing birthday. That is crazy. So there are different advantages. Like, it's not something I recommend. I know it helps a lot of people, but why am I against it? Number one reason is that it is risky, which I have already said, because someone always is the coordinator. And what if this person disappears on you? Like, I've already told you the story of the person that packed the money to go and do birthday bash, or the people that use the money and jackpot, you don't see them again. People swear to gone like that. It is risky. And some people are doing it to people they don't know. That's even the worst. Maybe on social media, or maybe your classmates, you're like, you chose this person, forgetting that time has passed. People change for good or for worse. So it is a risky thing to do. Number two reason I don't like ajo, it is no interest. If you know financial Jennifer, you know that I hate idle money. You give this ajo maybe 10,000, 20,000, 100,000, and at the end you pack everybody's own. Yeah, it's kind of bulk money, but you will wait for a while before it gets to you, because they do it turn by turn. Let's say there are 20 people there. 28th person will wait for 19 people. 19th person will wait for 18 people. And at the end of that, you're not getting any interest in return. In fact, it's usually the first set of people that benefit, because time value of money. You may think you are getting bulk money, but if you check it, your money has lost value after all of that time it takes to get to you, and at the end they're not getting interest. Why would you do this when there are so many opportunities, which I'm going to share with you shortly, on how you can save and invest that money and make interest on top? And number three reasons I don't like ajo, there is no peace of mind. You know that investment or something I will do and I will not sleep well at night. I'll be praying, God, I beg, go, let them get it to me before they disappear. Let them not carry my money and run away. Why do you do that to yourself? Don't do that to yourself, okay? So if anything that will make you not to have peace, maybe you don't trust this person, or you are beginning to hear story. In fact, it's the person that is holding your ajo, if they cough, your mind jumps. Because sometimes uncertainties can happen. We don't pray for it, but that can happen. What happens in that instance? So please, if it's making your blood pressure high, leave it alone. What do you do instead? That is what we are going to be discussing next. 4 different opportunities you can use to save or invest your money. Number one, if your problem is that on your own you can't save that money, so you need ajo to help you, FinTribe is for you. That is number one option. FinTribe is Nigeria's #1 women-only finance community. So what we do in FinTribe, we save and invest together. Like, we looked at the problem of ajo, and FinTribe was built around that. But to improve it, yes, every month we save together, but the money doesn't go to any individual. This investment banker, Financial Jennifer, is the founder of FinTribe. So it doesn't come to anybody. We partnered with UBA custodians. Custodians are people that are in charge of your money. So here in Nigeria, UBA custodian is a partner of FinTribe. They keep our money. So every month we send money, it's pushed to them, it goes to them. And then that money is not idle. They invest it on our behalf. At the end of the year, you get back your money with interest. Isn't that amazing? And now, how does consistency come in? Because if you're in FinTribe, my sister, you will not rest if you've not saved your money. Financial Geneva will not allow you to rest. We are each other's money cheerleaders. We keep each other accountable. We have over 7,000 women in FinTribe saving consistently, back to back. In fact, last year, these women saved over 1 billion naira. That is more than $1 million. That is amazing. These are women who before now, they struggle to save. But now FinTribe is saying, my sister, come, let's do this together. Let's keep each other accountable. And that is one option for you. If you're a woman and you want to be in the midst of other money-minded women, and women are all over the world in about 25 countries. Yes, but you have to have a Nigerian bank account and a BVN. I'm going to leave the link to FinTribe on the description. Follow it, read how we operate. It is a free community. Nobody's asking you to pay anything. The goal is we want to see women win. We want to keep each other accountable. We are pushing financial inclusion in Africa, financial empowerment for women in Africa, because we know that a lot of women struggle to save. So if you are one of us, come, join the community, join the amazing tribe. See you on the inside. Go to the description now, click the link to read every details about FinTribe and how you can join us. That is number one option for you. Number two option on how you can save and grow your money, FinTech platforms. Now, the remaining options now, they are flexible, because the first one we discussed, FinTribe. FinTribe, you can't touch your money until the end of the year, until December. But these remaining three options, you can pull out your money anytime you want. So if your reason for going to a job is to save towards a goal, now with these options, you can save small. When it's time or when it gets to the amount you want, you pull it out. In Nigeria, there are so many FinTech opportunities, credible FinTech platforms. We have Optimus, Piggyvest, Cowrywise. There are so many of them. Which one do you use? Download each of them. And you know the beautiful thing, they pay you interest on your money. Some platforms pay as high as 15% or even more, depending on what the interest rate environment is like. So instead of giving your money to someone, a random person that might wake up one day and disappear, or pull a fast one on you, download a FinTech platforms today. For many of them, it's very easy to use. It's straightforward. When you download, fill it up. Most of the time, what you need to open a bank account is what you need to open these FinTech apps, okay? Create account, provide your BVN, utility bill, ID card, provide everything. And for most of them, how it works is when you sign in, they will give you a dedicated bank account. That is where you send your money. Once you send the money there, it reflects on the platform, okay? That is how it works. Simple and sweet. And your interest will be accruing. So for many of them, it's very flexible. Whenever you need your money back, you go and withdraw it. And for some of them, you can lock the funds that you can't touch it. Maybe you can decide to do for the next 6 months. You just lock the money, leave it there. Maybe you have a project, you don't want to spend the money. You can put it there. For some of them, they have their flex plan. Just put money, your interest will be accruing on it. There are many opportunities out there instead of a job. Go and find one. If you want me to make a detailed video on any of them, let us know. At this point, I believe you've liked this video. Come on now. Let's grow our community together. Please like the video. If you've not subscribed yet, subscribe to the channel. Trust me, on this channel, the goal is for us to grow together, to smash our money moves together. And for the fact that you're still watching me till now, that means you're a financial woman. Welcome to the community. Hit that subscribe button right away. Number 3 investment opportunity you can leverage to grow your money is money market mutual fund. First of all, what is mutual fund? Mutual fund is like a pool of fund. Let's say how we are now, financial women, we are like, okay, I don't have much money. Me, I have 20K. This person have 10K. I have 5K. Now we'll put this money together, and then experts, fund managers, they will take up this money, they will go and invest it on our behalf. That is mutual fund. That is how mutual fund work, okay? Now, there are different types of mutual fund. For the sake of this video, we are going to be discussing money market mutual fund. What do I mean by money market mutual fund? These are mutual funds that invest in short-term instruments, let's say treasury bills, commercial papers. Money market mutual fund, the risk level is low. Most times it shouldn't drop below your capital. There are risks to investment. Some investments can go up and then even below your capital, like example of some equity mutual fund. But for money market mutual fund, it shouldn't go below the amount you invested in it. Now, when they invest in these things, those things are yield interest, right? That is, they will bring back that interest. They will now share it among all of us that put money into that fund, of course after taking their fees. That is the simple and short of money market mutual fund, and you can pull out anytime you want. Okay, you can pull out anytime. Now, how do you do this? There are different platforms you can do this. You can do it in Optimus app, you can do it in Cowrywise. They have different mutual funds on this platform. Okay, so for example, on Optimus, the money market mutual fund is called APF, AfriInvest Plutus Fund. Optimus is owned by AfriInvest. So if you're using Optimus, go and search for APF. That's the money market mutual fund. It's flexible. I think a minimum of 1,000 naira. So why are you doing ajo when you can be moving your funds there? It will be making interest for you. You'll be sleeping well without anyone running away with your money, my sister. And finally, number 4 investment opportunities you can take advantage of to grow your money is treasury bills. The first 3 investments we discussed are run by maybe investment banks, cooperatives, but for treasury bill, this is an investment offer from the government. It's a short-term investment from the government. You lend money to the government. In exchange, when your money matures, you get back your money and your interest. Sometimes you can even get the interest ahead. Now, it is a low-risk investment because it's with the government. Government cannot see you because of your 1 million and run away. If the government of today goes out, another government comes in and the investment keeps running. So how does treasury bill work? Now, treasury bill, you go through your bank, or most times through investment banks. The minimum amount is usually 100,000. You can do as much as you want, and every single day is open Monday to Friday. While the market is open, you can invest in treasury bill. So let's assume now you want to invest 100,000. There are different tenors. You can do 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, 1 year, but it can be more than 1 year. You decide the one you want to do, and based on the one you are doing, that is what will determine the interest you are going to get. Usually, the longer you leave it, the more interest you get. Okay, so tell them the amount you have, how long you want to do it, and then they are going to advise you. In fact, if you want to do treasury bill, I deal with AfriInvest. Comment in the comment section, just say treasury bill, or just ask me for email address. I will send you their email address. Reach out to them, tell them how much you have, and they will guide you. And for treasury bill, you can even get your interest ahead. Let's assume that your 100,000, your interest on it is 10,000. Yeah, so you can pay in the money, take your interest, and then you take that 10k up front, and at the end of the tenure you get back your 100k. With investment, you can eat your cake and have it again. This is it. You've taken the money, the interest ahead, you spend it, to use it for whatever you want to do, or you even roll it over. There is the option of you to roll over the interest. That is even the best one. Why take the money and spend it when you can reinvest it again, add it to your capital, and it keeps working? That is how treasury bill works. Simple and sweet. And like I said, if you want to key into any of this, let me know in the comments. I'm going to help you get started. I'm going to advise you further. So now, I hope I've been able to convince and not confuse you that why are you still doing risky ajo when there are these 4 options you can use to grow your money. I know that yes, people have reasons why they do ajo. I don't even know. Have you done ajo before and it worked for you? Tell us how in the comment section. Is it at your workplace? Is it with a group of friends? I don't know. Tell us in the comment. Let us know, because I might be wrong, but I know it works for some people. Let us know how it works. Personally, I don't like it, and I have shared different options for us. Thank you so much for being a part of this community, money-minded women growing our force. If you've not, please subscribe to the channel. And if there's any topic you want me to treat when it comes to investing, when it comes to saving, passive income, financial Jennifer Day for you, I am happy to make the video and guide you. Please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like the video. See you next time, my fellow financial women.